Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both devices. Turn the car to accessory or on so its system is active and open Bluetooth on your phone. Once done, navigate your car's audio or phone menu and select the Bluetooth pairing option so it broadcasts. You do this now because the car must be discoverable for the phone to see it. Make sure airplane mode is off, and if prompted, set visibility to visible or pairing on the car, then watch your phone scan for devices. You tap the car's Bluetooth name as soon as it appears on your phone. Doing that initiates the secure handshake. Once connected, compare the PIN or passkey shown on both the car display and phone to confirm they match, because that prevents accidental pairing with nearby devices. After confirming, accept the pair request and grant permissions for contacts and media so calls and audio work. If your car asks to set this phone as primary, choose yes to avoid repeating the process. You finish by testing. Place a call and play audio to verify microphone and media routes through the car. If the phone won't connect, restart both the phone and the car's infotainment system, then try pairing again. This often clears temporary issues. Make sure the car hasn't hit a pairing limit. If it has, delete old devices from the car's Bluetooth list. If problems persist, toggle Bluetooth off and on and repeat pairing. This simple reset resolves most stubborn cases.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.